I'm Eileen from Fit You with Eileen. Welcome. So today I thought it would be nice if we do some gentle shoulder stretches, stretch out the shoulders. Always feels good, doesn't it? So we're going to be seated throughout. The highest point in this practice will probably be your Vajrasana, which is your hero's pose where you'll be sitting on your heels. If you want to get something ready to cushion your knees for later, it's just for a short while anyway. Feel free to get a blanket or some pillows, something low, just to cushion your knees. Alright, let's get started. Let's begin by coming to any seated position that's comfortable for you, and closing your eyes, just focusing on your breath here. With every breath, bring your awareness to the present and just calming your mind down, focusing on your breathing. Just breathing normally here and observe your breath. Feel the air on the tip of your nose, on your nostrils as you inhale and exhale. Feeling the cool air when you inhale, and the warm air when you exhale. Being aware of your body on the mat. Your seat bones are grounded to the earth, and your spine is lengthened. Back of your head, neck, and spine are in a straight line. You're lengthening your spine all the way to the crown of your head. The shoulders are down and away from your ears. And deepening your inhalation here. Observe maybe the belly rises when you inhale. And when you exhale, belly decompresses, drawing towards your spine. Deepening the inhalations and exhalations here. And with every deep breath, calming the mind down even more. Maybe there's a gentle smile on your face, I hope so. And inhale and exhale. 2 more long breaths here. Let's inhale, 2, 3, 4, and exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, and exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. And breathing. Breathe a couple of blinks here. Open your eyes. Namaste, everyone. Alright, let's begin our shoulder stretches. So, let's start with a couple of breathing exercises first. Interlace your fingers and bring your palms to your chest here. And inhale, let's stretch our palms upwards towards the sky. And try to bring your biceps as close to your ears as you can, stretching the arms. Eyes forward and exhale. Bringing the palms down, turning them towards your chest. And as you bring them down, elbows come down as well, relaxing through the shoulders and the elbows. Let's do that movement again. Inhale, turning the palms up, upwards towards the sky, stretching through the arms as well, trying to bring the biceps as close to your ears as you can. Gaze forwards and exhaling, turning the palms down, rotating through the shoulders to bring your palms close to your chest and bringing your palms to heart center, drawing the elbows down. Once more. Inhale. Stretching up. Stretch, 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 stretch. That's a nice stretch throughout the arms and the shoulders. And exhaling, turning the palms, slowly rotating them towards your chest, bringing them down, relaxing the shoulders, drawing the elbows down. Let's do it 2 more times. Inhale. Palms up towards the ceiling, eyes forwards. And exhale. Turning the palms towards your chest. Relaxing through the shoulders, dropping the elbows down. Last time here. Inhale. Stretching your palms up towards the sky. And exhale. Turning the palms in. Elbows down. Palms to your heart center. Good, well done. Now release your fingers. Place them on the mat beside you. And this time, inhale, stretching up. Bring your palms not to meet but facing each other, and you are going to bring your gaze up to your palms. Exhale down. Right now, if that is too intense, or if you've got neck issues, bring your palms facing each other, but keep your gaze forwards, yeah? So you don't have the additional stretch of the neck here, but that is absolutely fine. Getting that movement through the shoulders still. Right, so choose your option. 2 more times. Inhale up. If you are going to look and bring your gaze up to your palms, just be aware here that you're not tilting backwards. You are still rooted here in the center. Your weight is in the center. Yeah, your sit bones are grounded to the mat. So not tilting backwards. If you feel that you are tilting backwards when you bring your gaze up, keep your gaze forwards. Yeah, you want to be steady and stable here. And exhale, palms down. Now some shoulder circles. So bringing your fingertips gently onto your shoulders here, and let's go. Inhaling, bring the elbows up, and exhale, down. Inhale, elbows to meet out in front, big circle. Exhale, elbows down. Keep that going. Drawing nice big circles with your elbows, yeah? Imagine drawing nice big circles here. 2 more. Last one here. Inhale up and exhale down. To meet in the front, let's reverse that movement now. So still inhaling up and exhale down, drawing nice big circles, mobilizing in the shoulder joints here. Opening up the chest as well. Gentle smile. Don't be straining too much. Let's do 2 more together. Last one. And exhale down. Whoop. Back to center. Shake it out if you need to. So now we're just going to bring our arms behind our back. So I'm going to shift over, shift my position so you can see. And yeah, just collapsing. So, not rounding your shoulders in front, opening up, shoulders down and back, and we're clasping our elbows. So keeping that stretch across the chest as well as you imagine drawing your shoulder blades back a little bit, sitting up nice and tall, keeping the chest slightly forward and gaze forwards. That should really open up the chest. And it's really good and simple stretch that you can even do when you're sitting on an office chair. Yeah? Helps especially when we're always rounded forwards at the keyboard. So this just helps to open up. Prevent those rounded shoulders. Breathe. And one more deep breath here. Inhale, exhale, release the arms, bring them to the front. Let me shift my weight back over here. So, hope your shoulders feel a little bit more open now. They should do. And now, Let's go. I'm just going to come up over into a squat position here. We come to our Malasana or garland pose. So squatting down, nice and deep here. So if you want to place, if you can't have your heels firmly on the ground here, what you can do is place some blocks if you have them, or even like a folded towel or blanket, just to lift a little bit so that you are nice and stable in your low squat here, your Malasana or garland pose. So bring your hands together in a prayer position. And you're using your elbows, notice to gently push your knees away out. And keeping that back still nice and long, firmly on the mat. So this is opening up your hips as well. So from the side, here, trying to keep your gaze forwards, weight back in the heels, and push, using the elbows to gently push out the knees. And I'm going to go back to the front, because from here, you're going to drop your, hair was in my nose. You're going to drop your right palm onto the ground just in front of your right foot and lift your left arm up. Bring your gaze to your left palm. Again, if that's too intense for you across your neck, you can just bring it forwards and look straight in the direction of your right knee. If you're okay, look up at the left palm. And exhale, release, other side. So, left palm down, lift the right palm up. And again, looking up, if you can, or if not, just ahead at the side. Stretching out, and notice you can use your hand on the ground here to gently push that leg open and feel the stretch in the hip a little bit too, but not too much, yeah? Feel the stretch more in the chest and shoulders as you open up. And from here, exhale, bring the palm down. Bring your knees down onto the mat and gently sit back into your Vajrasana or Hero's pose. So let me just turn myself over here so you have a better view, sitting on the ankles. And now, clasping your hands behind your back. Here, drawing your shoulder blades back, keeping the arms nice and long, gripping, try to keep your palms together as well. And just dropping your head gently, gently towards the mat. And when you do so, you're raising your arms up. Feel the stretch here and breathe. Trying to keep the palms together, so you're working on keeping the palms together. That way, that will really help to bring the shoulder blades in. And breathe. And inhale, exhale. Lift back up. That really feels nice. And releasing your hands. Give them a shake. That should feel really nice. And now you can extend out to your child's pose. Extending the arms overhead. That will also help you stretch the shoulders out. Trying to keep the hips back as you stretch your arms out in front of you. Dropping your head to the mat. And we rest here. Feel the stretch, feel the stretch. Last deep breath. And slowly bring yourself up. And you can find a comfortable seated position here. Let's close our eyes for a little bit here. That was the last pose. So thanking and honoring your body. Few deep breaths. Set a positive intention intention for your day. Or if you're doing this in the evening, think of something that you're grateful and thankful for in this day. Keeping your eyes closed, bring your palms to heart center. Namaste. Few blinks, open your eyes. Thank you for joining me for this shoulder stretch practice today. I hope that was helpful and I hope you enjoyed it. I have got another seated stretch sequence for your neck, shoulders as well as upper back. If you would like to check that out, just click that link over here on the top right hand corner of your screen. So other than that, happy practicing champs, and I hope to see you next time on Video with Eileen. Bye!